So today's video may come across a little bit harsh, and I don't care, because some of you guys need to hear this. The other day I posted a video talking about the importance and the impact that my wife has had on my entrepreneurial endeavor over on the Alpha Empire channel. Basically, the premise of the video was saying that my wife has been an incredible support system, but also the reason why I feel like I've been able to be successful. Because if I was single and I was out there chasing ass, there's no way that I would have been able to focus or do the things that I need to do in order to be successful. If you guys haven't heard about or checked out the Alpha Empire channel, I'm gonna link to it down below. Basically, these videos there are less scripted. They're also more life and business related. I talk about things that have happened to me. I talk about business. I talk about tips and strategies in order to help you grow and build your empire. The last video that I posted talking about my wife, it pissed me off, honestly, because I was reading some of the comments of you guys that are in there talking about, oh, you better get a prenup, she's gonna take your money, all women want her, and it was all this like really negative like sort of sentiment about women. And it made me realize that there are a lot of you guys out there that are never ever going to truly realize true love, but also find somebody that is your partner, because you are buying into this red pill, blue pill bullshit. It is not the women's fault. It's yours. It's your mindset. And that's the reason why you will never find a high value woman to love you, because you've got a low value mentality and mindset. Today, what I'm going to actually do is go over some brutally honest reasons why you will always have to settle for a less than sassy senorita. Reason number one is that you view women as bad, evil, women, bad, they're the problem, right? Good luck. All right, you're going to be super disappointed when you realize that, oh my God, they're not the problem, I am. Gentlemen, it's not them, it's you. Number two, you view women simply and strictly as objects, sexual objects, as opposed to people, women, somebody that you want to actually build a life with, that is going to be there to support you, that you're actually going to have conversations with, that's smart, that's intelligent, that's not a dummy. Gentlemen, I think of the modern day female influencer that shows her body for likes or money, right, as kind of like the modern day equivalent to strippers, right? Everybody knows that you shouldn't date a stripper, but some dudes are so stupid. They're like, oh, but she's hot, right? Oh, she's gonna like me because I'm so awesome, and she's still making money, showing her body, and doing things in the VIP room to other dudes. Gentlemen, don't date strippers and don't date Instagram models. I don't know why Bubbles doesn't love me as much as I love her, right? Stop simping, which is actually the third reason why you will never ever find somebody that is good enough for you, because you're somebody that is always begging for attention. You're willing to spend money to get attention, as opposed to basically finding somebody that cares about you for you. Instead, you would rather beg, you would rather steal, you would rather do whatever you need to do in order to get her attention. You think she's going to respect you? Hell no. She's also not going to respect you if you're a nice guy. All right, stop kissing her ass. You are never going to find somebody that respects you, that is your equal, if you are kissing people's ass. The next thing is you self-sabotage. You're a stoner. You're a drunk. You use recreational drugs all the time. Gentlemen, here's the thing. Do you think somebody high quality wants to be with somebody that's getting blackout drunk, that's doing stupid or saying belligerent things? No, of course not. They want to be with somebody that is responsible, that is reliable, that has a good, healthy relationship with alcohol if they're going to drink, and they're not sitting there smoking weed all the time. Gentlemen, you got to look in the mirror and you got to be honest with yourself. If you're a loser, you're a loser. And guess what? You're going to attract loser girls, right? You're going to attract those girls that aren't going anywhere, that are doing stupid things, that are probably going to facilitate or encourage or enable you to continue to do the self-destructive things. The next reason, you're sloppy. You don't take care of yourself physically, right? Emotionally, mentally, we'll talk about that some other video. But if you look in the mirror, you get naked, be honest with yourself. How attractive are you? Whenever I do videos on how to look good, what to wear, whatever, people are like, I don't know, Alpha, it's so superficial. People shouldn't care. You should just do what you, whatever. The truth is that it's never been a more competitive time in the world. And if you expect to outshine your competition, which is every single other dude that is after the same resources, including your job, money, and that spicy ass, you got to make sure you're putting your best foot forward, which is why Not only do you need to take care of yourself physically, you've got to look good. Your style, is it on point? Your grooming, is it incredible? Your smell, do you actually smell amazing? The beautiful thing about the way that you smell, it's easily controllable, right? Your body, you got to work at. You got to eat right. You got to lift weights. Your style, you've got to go shopping for new clothes and make sure it fits your body. But your scent, it's so easy. And right now, because I want you to smell incredible, I got a special secret link down below, but you got to go through it and you can't wait because supplies of this deal are limited. What I'm going to do right now for you, we got 3 of our most popular fragrances as Pete and Pedro. We've got Legend, we've got Villain, and we've got Rebel. Rebel inspired by Creed Aventus, Legend inspired by Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous, and Villain inspired by Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. You get to choose whichever of these fragrances you want, but you also get these 2 products for free. The fresh deodorant, it's natural, it smells incredible eucalyptus spearmint. It goes on nice and clear so it doesn't jack up your clothing. This is amazing. It's also not going to jack up your testosterone level or your endocrine system because they are natural and don't have parabens or any of those EDC chemicals. You're also going to get the newest addition, which is the Pete and Pedro Body Bar. It took literally like 60 or 70 different variations and versions to nail a perfect body bar, one that exfoliates gently but also hydrates amazingly well. So for the exfoliation, we've got oat bran, we've also got a little bit of pumice, but then for hydration, we've got shea butter, and it is packed with olive oil. I'm telling you, it is like a spa-like treatment. You guys are going to get them for free. Right now, for a limited time, $48. You're saving literally $30. The regular price of this package would be $78, but right now, for a limited time, you get to pick whichever fragrance you want. You're also going to get these 2 products for $48. But you got to go through the link, gentlemen. Limited time. Like I said, this is literally going to last not long. Something else that's not going to last long is your relationship with a high-quality woman. If you're somebody who's snooping through her phone or always nervous or scared that she's going to leave you or worried or checking up or questioning her, gentlemen, come on. You got to act like you've been there before. If you expect for a second for her to hang out while you work through your issues and your insecurities, you're wrong. You got to understand that if she's going to do something shady, she's going to do it. But you shouldn't waste time or valuable relationship resources always talking or worrying about it. It kills a relationship. It kills her attraction to you because nobody wants to be with somebody who's begging or needy or snooping through their shit. The next reason why you're never going to find somebody high quality is that you're a victim. You think of yourself as a victim. You look at other people's success, you look at other people's relationship, and you think it's not fair, when the truth is you're not willing to do what they needed to do and were willing to do in order to achieve that. Gentlemen, you got to get yourself out of that rut. Unfortunately, this world is full of victims. Everybody likes to blame other people. Nobody wants to accept responsibility and actually change their life. If you are ready to change your life, you can do it. But you got to stop whining. You got to stop bitching. You got to stop blaming your mom and dad for why you're not happy. Brutal honesty, here it comes. The other reason why you're never going to find somebody that's high quality or they're never going to be attracted to you is that you make a horrible first impression. And then you probably make a horrible second impression. If you're somebody that can't speak eloquently, if you're all shifty and shady and have weak body language, gentlemen, no chance she's going to be attracted to you. If you're somebody that has and uses a bunch of filler words like, or you curse all the time, zero chance she wants your ass. She doesn't want to be with somebody who's dumb. And all those things make you sound and look dumb. The next reason why you're not going to attract that high quality person that's going to be your partner and that you're going to love and is going to support you is because you're not bringing anything to the table of value. You're going to continue to take life and relationship sloppy seconds because you are not interesting. You're not intelligent. You're not pushing yourself. You're not striving. You're not going after what you want. You're literally a boring, simple dude who hasn't grown. Gentlemen, it's about growing. It's about pushing yourself. It's about striving for better, striving for more, being interesting, being intelligent, right? Experiencing life. She doesn't want to sit on your couch and watch you play video games. She doesn't want to sit on your couch and watch you smoke weed. She wants to get out. She wants to do things because a high quality woman is equally interesting. She is also doing things and not just shopping. And the last reason why you're not ever going to get a high quality woman or dude or whatever you're into and continue to settle for life sloppy seconds is that you're not a man. A man doesn't put other people down. A man doesn't try to act like he's something that he isn't. He's confident. He's comfortable in his own skin. He doesn't need to act and buy things just to make other people think that he's something that he's not. He knows who he is, and he strives to make other people's lives better and himself happy. When you do this, when you focus your energies here, you're going to be amazed at what you actually attract. And what you're going to attract is what you want as opposed to what you actually get.